Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm teaming up with DistroKid. Now DistroKid is a service to get your music onto Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, YouTube, and all the other streaming platforms. Today we're going to be talking about their feature called splits. Now this is an awesome feature if you're working with collaborators, because when you guys are working together, put out music, you start getting money from it. Of course, you're going to have to split up the money that you guys shared. So DistroKid makes it easy using their tools. So let's go sign in and I'll show you how to do it. So here we are on the home page of my account. They have a tag called splits. We're going to click on splits here. As you see, automatically split payments to your collaborator. So DistroKid will do all of that. Now this is free for all DistroKid members, but if they're not, say you add band members and they're not part of DistroKid, what they'll do is they'll send through their email a 50% discount coupon. They can sign up. Instead of $20 for their first year membership, it'll only be $10, so which is pretty cool. And also, if they don't sign up, you don't have to worry about that. You can cancel their invite and then you can reallocate their money elsewhere. You know, either you put it into your bank, take it out, pay them however way you do. But here we go. We're going to start off with selecting a release. So we're going to go click on Daydream. Click on next, and here we're gonna see the collaborators of this song. So it's only me. I got 100% on this song, but if I was to add somebody else, all I have to do here is click on add collaborator, and I'm gonna use that basic John Doe thing right there. But if I had this person to collaborate with, then I'll add their percentage that I'm gonna give. Now let's just say it was an even split, so I'll just go to 50%. And it'll automatically calculate it. And if I wanted to add another, I'll just add another because they have an unlimited amount of collaborators you can do. So if you got 5, 6, or 7, you can add them all on here. But what you can also do is you can always go back. Once you finalize it, you can go back and even edit, change the splits, change the percentage, or even take off a collaborator. So let's say I have this collaborator here and I need to recoup $10 from them. So what I'm going to do is add the recoupments and just put in $10. And then after I get the $10 for that, I can change their percentage. So right now it's at 50. Once you get the $10 recoupment back and you say go down to 30. Then after that, I will get 70% of the revenue. Okay, so I'm not too sure when you're going to use that, but maybe you have it as an agreement and a contract. So that would be pretty cool if you needed to use that. After that, we're going to click on review changes. So when you click on review changes, you're just going to review everything. So I took off the other one, still got 100%. Now these splits affect future earnings only once I click on save changes. So nothing really changes for me when I have 100%. And the earnings that are already in your DistroKid bank today will not be split. So it's just starting from today on after the save changes. You can also access the splits by clicking on your single. So this is where you'll see it individually for each track. If I had more tracks, we'll go down here, splits, you get 100%. Click on edit splits and that's where you'll see it. You can make all the changes you want, and then just gonna review changes and do the same thing, save changes. So that is the feature splits. If you guys think you're gonna need it now or in the future and you guys have not signed up for DistroKid yet, you can use the link down below in the description on the screen. You'll get 7% off your first yearly membership using my link. Also, thanks to DistroKid for teaming up and sponsoring this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next DistroKid video.